These are super basic words in English. Yet, most English learners mispronounce them, especially with the first syllable, where the letter A has a syllable break just right after it. Just so you know, in unstressed syllables, letter A often takes on the Schwa sound. In the phonemic spellings, as you can see, word stress belongs to the latter syllables and the first ones are unstressed, so we can pronounce the letter A as the sound at the beginning of words, not the or O sound, but only the sound. To produce this sound, you just have to drop your jaw slightly and lazily as I do. Now here's the trick to follow to pronounce the words correctly. You just have to say first. Just repeat after me. Avoid, avoid. Attack, attack. About, about. Apply, apply. Approve, approve. Agree, agree. Again, again. Or you could either pronounce this word like again, again. So with the sound, again, or with a diphthong, again, both are correct to pronounce. Now I want you to search for some words beginning with the Schwa sound with the mighty letter A and fix your pronunciation with them. Thank you.
Oh, children, you're not seeing things. This, my little friends, is a schwa.